This painting is manifestation of my hopes and dreams. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Inspired from fairy tale, I am painting a side portrait. My drawing has butterflies, flowers, and a fairy with purple hair. While painting the background, you can use masking fluid to mask the foreground so that the background color doesn't spill into the other areas. But here I did not use masking because I thought I would be able to do this way. Before I start coloring, I always give a wash to my surface. Then I start with the lightest tones of colors to get a flat look. I've started coloring the peony flowers on the head. You can always use a reference photo to understand the dark and light areas. From my observation, I paint the bottom of the petals darker and the top of the petals, which are more exposed to light, have lighter tones. I've chosen the peony flowers because they are considered to bring good fortune. Here I've plaited the hair with leaves and also coiled the stems into the plait. This type of painting requires a lot of patience, but the results are very satisfying. The expression on the girl's face is very subtle. Viewers may also find the eyes hopeful. Here I am making the background darker. I've left the layer to dry and moved to the hair section. I've used shades of purple tones for the hair. I didn't expect much from this painting before starting, but it turned out really well. If you like my videos, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more painting tutorials and art therapy. I love the spatter effect. I may give a tutorial of useful and easy techniques of painting in the future. So here is the dreamy fairy painting. For any of your requests, you can mention in the comments below. We'll see you next time with something new.